So in this video, we'll quickly look at the distance computation. So any given two variables, one way to measure that they are similar or dissimilar, whether they are closer or distant, is to use some kind of a distance computation. And there are a number of methods for the same. It's just like, in everyday life, we like to understand whether someone is distant, whether someone is near, and we try to essentially compute the distance. And this distance, in terms of data points, could be measured in various ways. The first method is Euclidean. This is a simple amplification of distance. Let's say we don't need given two variables x and y, so I'm subtracting x minus y, I'm taking the square of that, that's the power function, and then I will take the sum of it, that means for all the observations, and then finally I will take back the square root. So that's one way of calculating the Euclidean. That's the way Euclidean distance is computed, and this is one way of computing the distance between any two variables. And we'll quickly do that by executing the following steps. I'm just taking two normal variables of 200 points each, one with mean 1 and another with mean 5. Standard deviation I've taken 1 and 10 respectively, and I'll put this in a data frame and I'll compute a Euclidean function defined as per our discussion earlier. And this is how a typical Euclidean distance is calculated. So once I take the sum of the third column, which is added to data frame, I would get the value as 139. So that's how the Euclidean distance is computed. The second one is Canberra. Canberra works on the absolute value or the magnitude of difference. So it looks at what is the magnitude of x, magnitude of y, which are the two variables in comparison, and then it tries to scale the overall magnitude of the distance irrespective of the sign, whether x could be greater than y or vice versa. So I'm taking an absolute of the difference and then I'm scaling it with the sum of individual absolute values. So I'll quickly look at this. So that's the fourth column added, and the value of Canberra distance is 162.